Hi everybody! Welcome to a new Gabby's Dollhouse craft video. Today I'll show you how to make these cute pom-pom earrings inspired by Pandy. They're so adorable and cute! So if you want to see how I made them, keep watching my video. You will need medium white yarn, a small pom-pom maker, a mini plier, some earrings, wires and hooks, hot glue, scissors, a pencil, black and white felt, and pink glitter paper. Use a pom-pom maker to make 2 small white pom-poms. Insert an earring wire through the pom-pom. And twist to secure it. Attach the wire to the earring hook. Next, cut out the ears with felt and glitter paper. Attach them to the pom-pom with hot glue, and we're done! They're so adorable! I love them! I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.